Merry Christmas, everyone. The holiday season is upon us, and it's a time of joy, celebration, and togetherness. Welcome to Naturavital, the place where I nurture both body and soul. Here, we believe in the harmony of nature and the importance of living a balanced life. Today is a special day, and I want to take a moment to reflect on the true meaning of Christmas. It's more than just a holiday, it's a time for introspection and gratitude. Beyond the gifts and lights, this holiday reminds us of love, unity, and gratitude. It's a season that brings families together, encourages acts of kindness, and fills our hearts with warmth. Christmas celebrates the birth of Jesus, who brought hope and light to the world. His message of love and compassion continues to inspire us today. It's a time to reflect on our lives, our relationships, and how we can become better each day. We can use this time to set intentions for the coming year, focusing on personal growth and the well-being of those around us. Fun fact: in many cultures, fruits are exchanged as symbols of prosperity, health, and abundance. This tradition is a beautiful way to share good wishes and positive energy. For example, grapes represent unity and apples signify health. These fruits carry deep meanings that resonate with the values we cherish during Christmas. Let's dive into how fruits and vegetables reflect Christmas values. Each fruit has its own story and significance, adding a layer of meaning to our celebrations. Grapes, unity and community, just like grapes in a cluster. They remind us of the strength we find in togetherness and the importance of supporting one another. Apples, health and renewal, reminding us of the importance of taking care of each other. They symbolize the fresh start that each new year brings, encouraging us to prioritize our well-being. Lemons, purity and freshness, calling us to renew our spirit. Their bright, zesty flavor is a reminder to keep our outlook positive and our hearts pure. Pumpkins, generosity and abundance, perfect for sharing with loved ones. They represent the bounty of the harvest and the joy of giving. This Christmas, take a moment to reflect. Think about the values that are most important to you and how you can embody them in your daily life. What does this season mean to you? It's a question worth pondering as we navigate the hustle and bustle of the holidays. How can you share love and gratitude with those around you? Simple acts of kindness can make a big difference, spreading joy and warmth to everyone you encounter. Even in the simplest foods, we can find profound messages. Oranges, for instance, are often associated with good fortune and happiness. As you enjoy a fruit or prepare a healthy meal, think about how you're nourishing not just your body, but also your spirit. Every bite is an opportunity to connect with nature and appreciate the gifts it provides. An old tradition says that gifting fruits during Christmas symbolizes wishes for health and prosperity in the upcoming year. This practice is a heartfelt way to show you care. Imagine if every meal we share carried a message of love and peace. Our gatherings would be filled with even more meaning and joy. Thank you for being part of Naturavital this year. Your support and engagement mean the world to us. May this Christmas be filled with health, love, and unforgettable moments. Cherish the time spent with loved ones and create memories that will last a lifetime. If this message touched your heart, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your loved ones. Spread the joy and the true spirit of Christmas. Merry Christmas and blessings to all. May your days be merry and bright, and may the spirit of the season fill your heart with happiness.